he's going to go full throttle. At that point, we're going to wait about 30 seconds, honestly, to a minute, while he's just holding it full throttle. That may turn this, and this might spinning in conjunction with the clutch, but I will not engage this until 30 seconds after he's at the full throttle. And then at that point, I'll turn it from 20 to 25 to 30 to 35 to 40 newton meters of resistance. We'll do that for 20 seconds to see what happens, unless something blows out. But at that point, you're full throttle. You should notice the RPM going down if it's engaging. If it doesn't go down, that means the clutch is slipping inside the stroke. But I will not go farther than 40 newton meters of resistance.
This is run number 3.